Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in a repeatable grip and stance because consistency beats power. Hold the dart with 2-3 fingers on the barrel and a light thumb rest. A relaxed hold reduces wobble. Once done, place your dominant foot forward about 12-18 inches from the toe line so your body faces the board at a slight angle, making shoulder alignment easier. Make sure your elbow stays under the shoulder and your eyes are fixed on the target. This sets the foundation for a straight throw. You now refine the motion, aim, draw, and release in a fluid sequence so the dart follows your line of sight. Choose a small target zone and keep your gaze steady. You should not watch the dart. Draw the dart back smoothly to eye level and hold for brief 0. 1-0. 5-second alignment so you can correct minor drift. Then extend your elbow and let the wrist snap forward for a clean release at the top of the forward arc. This creates a straight, flat trajectory. You finish with a controlled follow-through and quick adjustments so progress is measurable. After release, keep your hand pointing at the target for 1-2 seconds. This locks in the direction and prevents flicking. If darts group left or right, adjust by tiny changes. Soften or firm your grip, shift foot position a few inches, or alter when you release during the forward arc. If throws slice right or hook left, tweak wrist motion and release angle incrementally.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.